the Godiac EastMarine 390, not tender, 6-passenger with the 40 horsepower Suzuki. With the end steps and the radar arch to tow skiers. The diamond stitch cushion. Built-in gas tank, built into the frame of the boat. Bimini top.